Track 24, Speaking Part 3, Worksheet 2. You're going to talk about something together for about 2 minutes. I'm going to describe a situation to you. A group of students is having a party to celebrate the end of the school year. Each student has to bring some food. Here are some types of food they could bring. Talk together about the different types of food the students could bring to the party and say which would be best. All right? Now talk together. Track 25, Speaking Part 4, Worksheet 2. 1. What food and drink do you especially enjoy having at parties? 2. When do you go to other people's houses for a meal? 3. How often do you go out to eat in a restaurant? 4. What kinds of things do you enjoy cooking? 5. How important is it for people to eat healthy food?